Tim, Kelly, how you guys doing? Here we go. Fall semester 2016. So just, Kelly, you're already familiar with this. I'll introduce you to Tim Liu, the TA that's going to be working with us on this. Tim's working remotely for a little while, and then he'll be back in LA here in about 6 weeks or so. So this is how we go, Tim, in terms of the grading. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just illustrate by going into the spring semester class. So it's right here, the Gerontology, the Science of Adult Development. Make sure that you guys have access to Blackboard, okay? And so what I'm going to do is basically show you the grading. So this is, you see right here, this is the old TA. I'll go to the new banner and see that it's been changed for Tim, but I need to use the old course just to show you how to do the grading, Tim. So see, I'm scrolling up and down right here, and remember to, if you want to look at what the students see, this is the student view. Just click on and off. So alrighty, so this is the important thing here, and this is the grading. So we go to Grade Center, you just go to Full Grade Center, okay? Alrighty, and Blackboard is slow and loading, of course, because classes have just started. God forbid USC would be kind of ready for the onslaught. Okay, but alrighty. So Julia just sent you the rubric for everything that we're going to grade. But so based on your alphabet allocation, so you just come in here right now, and you click on the arrow and it says Grade User Activity. So you just go down here to Grade User Activity, and it's going to come up. And again, this is a last semester's course. Okay, so we see right here, Tim, you see the all the different posts that this person made for this week. Okay, and again, what we're looking at is, so here's the primary post right here, boom, and then the comments that are made. Okay, so the criteria is 1 primary and 3 comments, and it can't be, hey, what's up, brother? It has to be, something substantial. Then what you do, Tim, is you come over here, okay, and you would go like this and say, Tim, hey, but you wouldn't do that, okay? You would comment as Tim on their post, okay? And we do it initially to get things going. After a while, it gets to be a bit much, and Kelly and you can correspond on that. Kelly, you did an amazing job last semester, so I'm glad to have you on board. And then what you do is you go right over here and you would write down the grade, okay? And based on the criteria that Julia sent you, this would be 1.5 points out of 1.5, okay? And you then hit submit, okay? Alrighty, and then Tim, you go to the next person in the alphabet, and you do that by just clicking the arrow right here. And yes, I'm going to leave the page, okay? And anyway, so the error, that process happened right there because the grades are already in, okay? But you see what happens. This is how you scroll through your alphabet. You just hit the arrow, and you hit the arrow like so, and you get to go through each member of your alphabet allocation. Again, you look at this person; they posted 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 1 primary post, and then the commentaries. So that's how that works, my friends. Okay, Tim. And we then go back to Full Grade Center, like so. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the first critical thinking assignment. So you would come over here and you would look at the attempt, okay, and you would grade it. Okay, it's going to come up. Okay, in this case, that they are actually uploading the information in the Blackboard. Alrighty, so this is the paper and the graph. Okay, these are some comments that Kelly did. Kelly, like I said, did great in doing that. Okay. And then you would come over here and you can leave it with the comments there. You can also see that there were comments here that Kelly put in, okay? And you just you go with it. Once you grab what you've done, okay, you hit submit, okay, and boom, okay. And you're going to go to the next one. Now for these critical thinking assignments, instead of having the arrows over here, the arrow's right here. So this is, you see if there's Tony right here, and now we're going to click and go bing, and it's going to take you to Taryn. You hit click, you go bing, and it's going to take you to Deanna, and that's how it rolls. Okay, so it's really pretty straightforward. Okay, and the hours are what they are. I would if I were you, Tim, I would go ahead and email Kelly and get a feeling for how long it takes her to do all these things. Okay, and so that way you'll have a good feeling in terms of the hours that you post, and I really think that's really all you guys need for right now. Thank you for being such great TAs and for being on board. And I'm going to stop right now and say adios until next time. All right.